Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper popper. So a little bit of origami, but this time you don't have to use a square sheet of paper. You can use an ordinary printer paper, a rectangle. This works actually better if you have a rectangle. So you've got a short side and a long side. You want to hold it like this, where the short side's at the top and the long side's on the sides. There's going to be just six steps to do this, so it's really easy. 6 steps. Your first step is going to be to fold your paper in half. Pretty easy. Match the corners, make sure they're exactly on top of each other like that. Hold it down, then fold. I like to push outwards like this, and use your fingernail. Give a nice crease so you can see the center there. Okay. Then the next step 2. Okay. You're gonna fold the corners, and you're gonna line up this edge here to the center line like that. So you're gonna basically start folding it so it looks like you're about to make a paper airplane, and other people comment that it looks like a house, right? So you're gonna do that on both sides, so you got a double-sided house here almost. Alright. Oh, very weird looking airplane. See there? There you go. So you folded all the corners in, and now the third step. Ooh, this is the step that's gonna fool some people if you blink. Ready? What? No, that's easy. The third step is just to fold it in half. Okay. Now, what you need to do is, these are going to be the handles here. So sometimes I like to put a mark on there so you know later that those are your handles. So if you have a pencil handy, put a little dot here. That just reminds me those are my handles. I gotta fold this into the middle, but the thing is I need to know where the center is. So to do that, it's real easy. You take the handles, line them up, match them up like that, and then fold. And then what you've done is you have folded right in the middle, so now you know where the middle is. Okay, so that's your I think it's step 4. Now you find your center. Step 5, so we're almost done. Step 5, you're going to fold the handle upwards, and usually you can line it up with the center there, but I've found that if I go over the center just a little bit, so that when both of these are up, they kind of crisscross a little bit. You see how it crisscrosses up there at the top? Okay, that's what I like to do. But if you want to try it, just lining it up to the center like that, you can see how that works. Maybe it works better for you. I'm gonna slightly go over that center line, just like that, and then take this handle and bring it up, and I'm gonna do that little bit of crisscross, just a little bit there. But it does come to a point down here. Okay, they meet up right there, so that's the way that should look. And guys, we have then one more step, step 6. Okay, and that is to fold this thing away from you. Okay, you don't want to fold it where you're folding it in like this and you're kind of trapping your handles, because you need those handles. You need them out. So you're going to fold it these sides away from you, just like that. Okay, and there's a side view there for you. Okay, and then make sure you get that nice and sharp tucked in there. There it is. And now you are ready to swing this and make it pop. Okay, remember the objective here is when you swing it through the air catches right in here. and pops that open as you fling it through the air. And when that pops open like that, it makes this popping noise. Like that. And then to reset it, you can push that back in. Tuck it back in there. There you go. Tuck it back in there. And then you're ready, you're set to make it pop again. So once you swing it through the air, this should catch air and pop that open like that and make this popping noise. Okay. And again, to reset it, you take this and you just push it back to reset that thing, and you're ready to pop again. I'll show you how to make it pop. I'm going to hold it on my handles right here. See that? So that this catches air that way. So this is how you should hold it. Okay? Then you guys swing this really fast to the air. You can't just go like that. That's what I'm saying. It's not going to do anything. Okay, you got to go even faster than that. So what I do is I lift it up over my shoulder, way up there, up in the air, and then I'll come down like this, kind of in front of me. Okay, real fast. Make sure you don't hit anything, okay? There's nothing around you so you don't hit your hand on anything. Okay, so sometimes I can go this way across my body, or I can go and swing it down to my side. Okay, so I don't hurt myself. Ready? See? Just nice and fast. And see how it popped out? Yeah, that's what made that popping noise. So I'm going to reset it. Like that. Just push that back in. Hold it on the handle, and I'm going to do it again. Popped open. I'm going to do it again. Ready? Here it goes. Yeah? Now, you can go and decorate this if you want to. See what I did with this one? After I pop it open, it says pop. It says pop. Or you can put anything on there if you want to. You can put hello, or I love you, or happy birthday, or surprise, whatever you want. Have fun. Bye guys.